Hey traders, this is Joe Wright here from MaximumLots.com, and this is the weekly supply and demand Forex outlook for the week beginning 21st of February 2016. So we've got EJ on the daily here up on the charts first of all, and just going to run through what we're looking at here. So you can see this supply level which we shorted from a little while ago, and since then price has been heading down. We took both long and short-term trades from this one, and just going to look at where it's headed to. Zoom out a bit, scroll across, and you can see this is where we are at the minute. This line here, this black line, is where price closed and ended last week, Friday. And this dashed line, this is a bit of this is a area that I'm interested in. We've got previous resistance there, so we could see a bounce from that level, but the next decent demand level itself is this one down here. In fact, let me mark on another level. So we've got these lows here, so if price engulfs these lows, then we could be looking at short, but I do have this here marked up because we could see a bounce from there. But if price gets down through this area and goes down here, then we could have a smooth ride down to this demand level here. But I would say to you, have a look at the higher time frames as well. So with this one, we're looking at longs or shorts here. If we get an engulf through here, we could be shorting it down through, but we could see a bounce from here, or we could see a bounce from here, looking for longs. So monitor price action, and we'll have a better idea of whether we're going long or short this week. Okay, that's the situation on EJ. Let me roll over to EU. Okay, so last week I was saying that we could be seeing longs or shorts here depending on whether price was going to continue to bounce up. We've got this demand level which was already tested on the way to supply. That left it free for price to fall straight down through this area, but price has just stopped and reversed a bit from this resistance area here. Quality demands down here, so best trade for me would be from demand level itself, but we know that SR is respected as well. So ideally I like to wait for price to drop down here for a long, but we shall see what happens, because we could just get a reversal from this area here back to the upside. So once again, one to watch. Prices in between two potential setups at the moment. Okay, let's have a look at GU. Okay, this is a sneaky peek at one of the longer term ones that I'm looking at. Remember this area here. We've had this engulf of supply on the daily. We've had a retrace back down. This is not textbook demand, but it's demand nonetheless, and we've seen price make a move back up. I'll zoom out to the weekly, show you what we're looking at. We've got red candles coming into a weekly level, monthly, and we've got a weekly Momo away. That weekly Momo has just been tested, and we've seen a bit of a rejection. All signals for long. So that's the situation on GU, long-term long coming up, I feel. Okay, so let's roll over and look at dollar CAD. Okay, so this is a pair that we were looking at last week, looking at potential shorts, and I did take a short on this pair last week. I have produced a video all about that, which you can find. I will leave a link below this video, but if you look on the website, you will see an article post and you will see the video for that one as well. But I'm still interested in potentially trading short. We've still got room to move to the downside, so I'll be looking for further confirmations for a short. If we don't get that, we don't get it, but that's what I'll be looking for this week. Sticking with the short theme, let's look at dollar yen. Okay, so here we go. So demand has been engulfed on a daily. I'll roll over and show you where that is. That's the demand level that's been engulfed. Clear path below. I also took a short on this pair last week as well, and I'm expecting a continued move to the downside simply because we've got space to do so. Okay, so watch out for more shorts on dollar yen trading down through this area. Be mindful of this supply area, this previous supply, which may turn to demand, but we may have a nice little mover going down through here. So these are the main pairs that I'm watching this week. Until next time, happy trading, guys.